Hi guys, welcome back to the Motivational Ash channel. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do another make a t-shirt video with me. This is gonna be simply easy, just starting with a Cricut machine, okay? Having a heat transfer and a Gildan t-shirt and parchment paper. That's how simple it is for you to get started making your own custom t-shirts, okay? Now, whether you're wanting to start your own t-shirt business, whether you're wanting to make your own custom t-shirts, just starting off for yourself, for family, for whoever, okay? Literally, this is how simple it is, okay? I have a Cricut that I got off Amazon for less than $150. I'm going to go ahead and link that in the description if you want to go ahead and start with getting you a Cricut machine. This is literally, you can start your t-shirt business with a low startup cost, okay? Literally less than $150. Parchment paper, you can get that a couple dollars. Custom Gildan t-shirts, blank t-shirts, you can get for a couple dollars as well for each t-shirt. If you go through a wholesale vendor, you can actually get your transfers anywhere from Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, wherever you want to get your transfers from, okay, according to your liking. Literally, this is a t-shirt that I made already. This one right here, you can see it's a Louis V design, okay, custom heat transfers. Then I went ahead and put LV Louis V Mama on the back, okay, so cute. Definitely like this. You can check that video out in my last video. So like I said, we're gonna make this short, we're gonna make this quick. Go ahead and stay and watch till the end, and you will literally be ready to go ahead and get you a Cricut off Amazon, some t-shirts, some transfers, and you'll be on your way to start, okay? Literally so simple. So what we're gonna do first is we already have the Gildan t-shirt on the mat, okay? We already did turn on our Cricut. So easy. All you have to do is hit the power button right here. Literally, you press this to set your temperature. Put your temperature on whatever temperature you're using. Hit the timer, okay? I set mine to 340 degrees for 20 seconds. So that is already set. So now we have the lint roller. You wanna go ahead and always lint roll your t-shirt, okay? Because you may not think that it has excess particles and lint on it, but it does. As I'm looking at it now, I can see it. So you wanna go ahead and get that off of your t-shirt so that when you put the heat transfer on there, there's nothing, no excessive particles or anything that's stopping your transfer from sticking completely on the t-shirt, okay? And as I'm looking at the lint roller, I see all the particles and excess lint that was on that t-shirt. Okay, now since it's already crinkly and wrinkled and stuff, you wanna go ahead and just set this on there and go ahead and get out those wrinkles for a quick second. Now, as we do that, that looks pretty good to me. Now, you can always use a t-shirt roller, which I'm not gonna use because I want this video to be quick. I did get t-shirt rollers as well off Amazon. You can always use t-shirt rollers if you don't feel like you're gonna be placing your transfers in the middle, okay? Because I know some people have that problem starting off with making their t-shirts. I can kind of eye it and see where my middle is, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I see that it's already in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and press it first one time, okay, with the timer on, and then after I'm gonna go ahead and place the parchment paper over and do it one more time. So once you put that on there, you're gonna put your Cricut machine on there. You're gonna press the green button, which is the timer. Apply a little bit of pressure on there with your hands. As you do that, as you press that, the timer is already going down. I don't know if you can see it counting down, but it's going 11, 12, 9. I mean, I'm counting backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's gonna beep once it's done. That's when you know that the timer's done. You heard it beep. So now you can go ahead and take it off. Okay, now once you take it off, we're gonna go ahead and do it one more time, and we're gonna apply the parchment paper over, okay? Now we're gonna hit the timer one more time. It's good to do it 2 times, okay, versus just one. You wanna make sure that that heat transfer is on there good, so that by the time you peel it, it's not gonna be coming off when you peel it. Okay, usually transfers have either a hot peel or a cold peel. So depending, if you have a transfer that is a hot peel, you would peel it when it's hot. If it's a cold peel, you would go ahead and wait for it to cool down and peel it when it's cold. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take my parchment paper off, okay? And once you peel it, you're gonna go ahead and peel from the edge, okay? Now, we're gonna go ahead and let it cool down for a few seconds, and then I'll come right back. Okay, now that it's already cooled down, we're gonna go ahead and take this off. So like I said, you wanna take it from the edge, okay? Are you zoomed in? You wanna take it from the edge, and you don't wanna do it too slow, you don't wanna do it too fast, but you wanna go ahead and take it off across, okay? As you can see, that is already done. It is looking good, and look at that. So cute. I have 2 moods. This is literally the after product, okay? This is so cute. Look how simple that was. That is how simple it is for you to get it done. So if you're interested, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link this in the description. You can go ahead and get you one off Amazon, get it shipped right to you, get your little mat, okay? Get that shipped to you, get you some t-shirts, and you'll be on your way, okay? If you like that video, make sure that you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below. If you have any questions, give me some feedback, tell me what you think, and follow me for more, okay? Bye, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.